Heavy rainfall and a low chance for severe storms moves in for Wednesday, as we're already seeing some heavy rain moving through parts of the area. We do have a potential for those pockets of heavy rain throughout the morning, leading to a flash flood risk. Now, we also have that low severe potential later today if those storms can get enough energy to fire up. Let's take a look at what we're currently seeing on ExactTrack. A lot of that rain moving through. Moderate to light rain near the state line all the way down into Dixon. That's where we just saw a lot of the heavy rain move through. Right now, it is headed right towards Amboy. So you are about to be hit with some of that downpour activity and this thunderstorm moving in. Slowly exiting out of Dixon. May end up still seeing some of that heavy rain moving in. Otherwise, we will end up seeing a better chance throughout about mid-morning. In fact, right now we're already seeing an aerial flood advisory for really the southern half of DeKalb County. This in effect until 7:30. The rest of us not seeing any flood alerts just yet. We do still have that potential of some stronger storms, a 2 out of 5 for those south of I-20. That's the yellow color you're seeing here. Otherwise, a 1 out of 5 further to the north. If those storms become severe, damaging wind gusts and hail will be our biggest concern. But we also have that potential of a flash flood. Here's the risk for today. It's low throughout most of northern Illinois. We may see a 1 to 2 inch rainfall possible through portions of our area. If flooding occurs, avoid those flooded roadways if you do run into any. Taking a look at FutureTrack, let's break down how this entire system moves through. There's that heavy rain expected through parts of our morning. Now, we may get a brief break before we see another round moving in later today. This is closer to 10 o'clock. It crosses the Mississippi. There you're seeing that widespread heavy rain moving through really from the state line, stretching to about I-88. It continues to slide through from west to east, now bringing that heavy rain past I-39 as we get closer to lunchtime. We'll continue to see some of that activity moving through. Now, the early afternoon, still seeing widespread heavy rainfall. We may end up seeing some stronger storms with this as we then end up drying out through really the rest of your Wednesday. Temperatures today also going to be a little bit cooler, 76 degrees. We have that potential for heavy rain and a couple of thunderstorms with those winds gusting up to 15 miles an hour. Now, a lot of that activity moves out later today. Temperatures fall into those mid-60s as we then end up getting some dry time into your Friday, or Thursday, I should say. Very low chance for an isolated storm or two. I think a lot of us are going to stay dry as we warm in back to those mid-80s. Friday does bring us another chance for scattered storms, especially into the evening hours with another cold front moving through. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, you'll notice we see lots of sunshine as we dry out for the weekend and quickly start to warm up through the extended forecast. Manny.